I see Yoongi again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 정국이! 정국이가 왔지롱. Which means I'll have to do a trade. Yoongi, definitely have to trade. Hobi! I really wanted this one. Look at Hobi. I think his is the best film strip. And then 1, 2, 3. Jin! Yay! Okay, wait. So far, I need RM and Jiminee and Tae. So, not gonna get to Bol in one go. Jiminee! Jiminee! Oh, that looks so good. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, RM! 남준아. 남준아 어디 있어? Okay. Okay, just need RM for the film strips. Okay. Now for pre-order benefits, I have 정국이 and Jiminee and Jin, I think. Everything but the kitchen sink. Let's go. Come on, RM, Suga, J-Hope, and Taeyoung. 1, 2, 3. 태영이! Oh, 태영이! 1, 2, 3. Oh, RM! So we just need Suga and J-Hope. Suga and J-Hope. Suga and J-Hope. 1, 2, 3. 정국이. 1, 2, 3. 태영이. Come on, J-Hope and Suga. 1, 2, 3. 진. Suga. Suga! Come on, J-Hope. 설마 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 있겠지. 1, 2, 3. RM. 1, 2, 3. 정국이. 호바. 1, 2, 3. 진. Oh my gosh, 호바. 1, 2, 3. 진. 정호석. 정호석 어디 있니? 1, 2, 3. 정국아. J-Hope. J-Hope. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. No 호석이. We'll do peaches first. RM, 진, 호석이, 지민이, 태영이. Then group card. 제발. Oh, Yoongi. Another Yoongi. So, not gonna get OT7 in one go. RM! Wait. Yeah, I needed RM. Okay. Oh, 단체! Good. And Yoongi! Yes, I needed Yoongi. 아, Yoongi 아니야? Yoongi. RM. So, 지민이, 태영이, 호석이, 진, RM. Another group card. Oh man. And J-Hope. That's good. You look different. Yay, 지민이. And another RM. RM, Jin, Hobi, or 태영이. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Hobi! Yay! At least it's different. Lots of RM messages. Oh, 아이고맨. Yoongi and Jin. Here's the card. Yay! card. Yoongi. I really like how the backs of these are all like very plain. Like their faces stand out more because the background is very plain. Okay. Oh, these CDs keep popping out. Card. I saw it. Hobby set. Okay, cream version. I think this is another Yoongi. Oh, Jungkook's message card. Halfway there. Yoongi. My gosh, have I mentioned? I've mentioned on this channel, right? I pull Yoongi the most. Yoongi set. Ah. You guys. Hobby and Hobby. Six albums. Got an all soap set. All right. Okay, let's sleeve these up.